Welcome home. Come on in. I can't wait to show you this beautiful property, brand new construction. But before I take you on this tour, I just want to take a moment to show you and to tell you really where you sit here in Woodinville, Washington. You are in the community called Hollywood Hill. This is known to be an equestrian community. You'll see horses. It's not uncommon to see people out riding their horses, people on walks. It's just a beautiful area. It's also close proximity to the wine country of Woodinville. So there are hundreds of wineries just about a 5-minute drive from here. And just to give you that proximity, you're probably about 15 to 20 minutes away from Microsoft Redmond, and then another 25 minutes away from Bellevue. So this is just a great location if you want space, but you want to be surrounded by beauty and you want to be in the outdoors. This is the spot for you. So this home, it's listed at $3,850,000. It's a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, and it is 4,757 square feet. Beautiful home on a great lot. And what I love is just the stunning features. It's simple, but it's stunning. And you have this great bar countertop right here where you can just picture family right here, or having loved ones and friends over and just enjoying this kitchen where all the action happens. And we know that so much life happens in the kitchen, and the builders here, they got that. They realized that this is a great entertaining space, and they wanted to capture that. And they put in high-end appliances like the Wolf Chef's stove right here. You even have the triangle refrigerator, stove, and sink right here. So it's all easy access. And this is just a well-done kitchen, chef's oven. And then don't forget, right over this way, you actually have extra counter space. You have a wine fridge right here. You got another dishwasher right here, another sink, and then you have this ginormous pantry right here for all your food storage. So now we're gonna come back this way and we head into the dining room from the kitchen. It's also right off the entry here. And this is just one of the things I love about this dining room is it has windows where you can just see out, and everybody loves to have that view while you're eating. And there are still homes being built here, but once this is all complete, this is just gonna look beautiful. You can see neighbors out playing and walking around. This is a great place to have a meal. So here we are in the living room. It's got a floor to ceiling stone fireplace. This is just stunning. It's beautiful. This is where the family gathers. This is where the hangout sessions are going to be. It is great. You could see the outdoors. And if I forgot to tell you, this is on a 2-acre shy parcel. So you got plenty of room to go outside and enjoy the backyard with your family or with your friends. So I want you to get oriented to see how big this space is that we're in right now. You have the living room right here. We have the kitchen right over here, this 2-acre shy parcel right here, an extra bedroom that we're gonna take a look at, the main floor bedroom for guests. We have an office just located right over here off the living room wing. We also have another bathroom, the common bath right here. So these are the things that we're gonna be taking a look at. So come on over, let me show you the office right here. So here we are in the office. They put in luxury carpeting right here. They have this thing dialed in, and this is your spot. This is where you're gonna get all your work done and things are gonna happen. So beautiful office right here on the main floor. Come on over, take a look at the extra bedroom right over here on the main floor. Don't forget the mud room right here coming through the garage. So here is the extra bedroom right here on the main floor. Again, this is 5-bedroom house, and you have its own bathroom right here for your guests. Nice size closet, generous closet. You also have access to the patio right here, to the backyard off the guest wing. So here we have the common bathroom right over here, and it's got this beautiful tile backsplash from floor to ceiling right here. This is very well done. You're gonna enjoy that, the nice flooring. So now we're gonna head upstairs and we're gonna check out the primary bathroom, the primary bedroom, and the other 4 bedrooms. So come on up. So one of the things I love about this house is the natural light. It is just stunning with the natural light. Floor to ceiling windows right here in the living room. And when you're standing here on the upstairs level, you can see where the action is right there in the living room. And it is just gonna make life much simpler if you're watching the kids or if you're wanting to know where your family is or friends. We got the laundry room right here. This is a very generous laundry room. Not just one washer and dryer, but 2 washer and dryers. Its own sink, its own built-in cabinetry, very well done. Now I'm gonna take you over to the primary bedroom. This is a showstopper right here. It's a very generous primary bedroom right here. Enough to put your own sofa. You could have a sitting area right here. You just need to escape. This can be your sanctuary. This could be your space. And again, large windows that you can look out, and you have enough privacy where the neighbors aren't gonna be able to keep an eye on you. You're gonna feel like you're alone. Your own place. Heading over to the master bathroom right over here, you have the double vanity right here. This is a nice touch that the builder did. So you each have your own space. You got the walk-in shower, solo tub right here, and you have this walk-in closet, which is almost like its own bedroom as well. Lots of space for all your clothes, your shoes. So here we are in the upstairs family room, right off the primary bedroom. You have this beautiful family room that's nice and large. It's a great spot for entertaining. Obviously, they put the TV here to show you, the stagers, that this could be your movie room. This could be where you play video games. But if you're not into that, this could also be a pretty great library, reading nook. So this is a great spot right here for people to gather. So they have these 2 spaces, right? The living room downstairs and the family room upstairs for the entertainment areas. Now come on over here, we'll check out the other bedrooms. You'll notice right here, this bedroom connects to the bathroom, a Jack and Jill bathroom. Each party has its own sink. They're right off to this adjoining bedroom right here. So you can just think that this could be a great area to connect with family, to stay connected. They got their own bathroom right here, and they can meet up actually just getting ready for school in the morning if you have family. So then this is the final bedroom right up here. Again, it's a generous sized bedroom, has this great view outside right as well. Right now we're in the season where it's winter, so the trees have not bloomed, but once the trees are bloomed and it's green, it's gonna look phenomenal. And then it also has its own bathroom. So every bedroom has its own bathroom, and this is just a great spot. And the finishes here are even really well done. So well done on this new construction home.